Duars are the alluvial floodplains in the eastern northeastern India that lie south of the outer foothill of the Himalayas and north of the Brahmaputra river basin. This region is about 30 km wide and stretches over about 350 km from the Tista river in the West Bengal to the Dhansidi river in Assam. The region forms the gateway to Bhutan. It is part of the Terai Duar savanna and grassland ecoregion. How to reach? By train, there are a lot of number of trains going to the New Jalpaiguri junction from Shialdah station every day. After NGP junction, you have to take car or bus to reach your destination. By bus, the bus service is also available from Kolkata to Shiliguri. Generally, they start from Babughat, Esplanade, Karunamoi, Uldodanga. Then taking car or bus to reach your destination from NGP. By flight, most of the leading airlines takes off from the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport to Bagdogra. After that, you have to book a car or a bus to reach your destination. Takes less time but expensive. According to my opinion, you can take the Kanchankonda Express to reach your destination if you want to visit or explore the Duars properly. Going through the Kanchankonda Express, after passing through the NGP station, the first station will be Shevok. After that, you can start your journey towards the Duars. So, if you're trying to explore Duars properly, then you can start from Shevok also. Shevok is a small town near Shiliguri in the Darjeeling district of the West Bengal, on the border with Sikkim state. It is a part of Duars. Many army and BSF camps are located in this area. The Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in this area. National Highway NH10 passes through the town. Shevakeshwari Kali Mandir or Sevak Kali Mandir is a famous and ancient temple located near Coronation Bridge. It is about 23 km from the Shiliguri town. The deity Ma Kali is highly believed to be extremely powerful and divine. When driver and the local people pass through the road in front of the temple, they stop here to pray and wish for a safe journey. The temple complex also houses a shrine of Baba Loknath. In front of the temple, across the road, there is a Shiv temple. There are few small shops beside the temple selling puja items. During Navaratri, Durga Puja and Kali Puja festival, many pilgrims come to Sevakeshwari Kali Mandir to offer puja. The place is decorated beautifully by the local people at the time. The location of the temple itself is very attractive. From the premises of the temple, one can see the mesmerizing view of green mighty Himalaya with hanging clouds and roaring Tista river is flowing down. The temple is visited by the pilgrims from far off places as well as the tourists. Lot of monkeys are there. Be aware of monkeys because they might be try to snatch your puja samagris prasad and or even your mobile phone. Kali Mandir. After visiting the Sevakeshwari temple, just took a few steps towards the Coronation Bridge. The Coronation Bridge is also known as Sevak Bridge, is located in West Bengal, India. Spans across the Tista River, connecting the district of Darjeeling and Kalimpong. The bridge is a part of the National Highway 17. Just before the Tista Bridge, which join the Kalimpong and Darjeeling, the river is made by its main tributary, the Rangit River. At this point, it changes course southwards, flowing into the West Bengal. The river hits the plain at a Sevak at a distance of 22 km from the Shiliguri, where it's spanned by the Coronation Bridge, which link the northeast states to the rest of the India. The river Tista is a lifeline of Sikkim and makes a border between Sikkim and West Bengal before joining to the Brahmaputra as a tributary in Bangladesh. Stop, stand and take a deep breath just at the bank of the river Tista. I hope you liked my video. Please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned, be safe, be happy.